Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the all-new Honor 300 Pro, a smartphone that's packed with impressive features and top-of-the-line specifications. From its premium design to powerful performance and incredible cameras, this device has a lot to offer. Let's dive right into the details and see what makes this phone stand out. Starting with the design and build, the Honor 300 Pro measures 163.8 by 75.3 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 199 grams. The phone is rated IP65, meaning it's dust and water resistant. It comes in 3 elegant colors: black, white, and green, making it suitable for everyone's style. Next, let's talk about the display. The Honor 300 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with support for HDR. It delivers incredible brightness, going up to 1200 nits in high brightness mode and an insane 4000 nits peak brightness for outdoor use. The display also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. Additionally, there's an under-display optical fingerprint scanner for secure and convenient unlocking. Under the hood, the Honor 300 Pro is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm architecture. The phone runs on Android 15, with Honor's Magic OS 9 on top, offering a clean and user-friendly interface. Moving on to battery life, the Honor 300 Pro is equipped with a massive 5300 mAh battery. It supports 100 watts wired charging. Additionally, there's 80 watts wireless charging and even reverse charging options. Now let's focus on the cameras, which are one of the highlights of the Honor 300 Pro. On the back, we have a triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixels wide sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. For video recording, you can shoot in 4K and 1080p, with support for gyro EIS and OIS. On the front, the phone boasts a dual selfie camera setup, including 50 megapixel wide lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor. It also supports 4K and 1080p video recording with gyro EIS. In terms of memory, the Honor 300 Pro doesn't compromise. It offers 3 configurations: 256GB storage with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 16GB RAM. Unfortunately, there's no micro SD card slot, so you'll have to rely on internal storage. Now, let's check out the connectivity options. The Honor 300 Pro comes with NFC support, infrared port, USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. What do you think about the Honor 300 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.